Alice, she played with us for the Justice and Play.
Yep. For Alice. Awesome.
Yeah, so for,
I didn't watch that. Double?
yeah.
Grass?
Yep, grass and sand.
Where?
Grass. We've been playing at Roxbury on Sundays, but sand out in Gretna on Tuesday.
Are you playing Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay. I think they should do some more Peloton about that. You know, but it is, it's tough because you want to have that winter mentality. And we don't want to have nerves. Thank you. I'm so young. You too.
Those are not as sore as they used to be.
And they do have to start
Is it
it.
easy under workouts on them?
No, I'm still tight. I did butt yesterday though, so I did butt and plyo, so. But yeah, my hips aren't as bad. I've been doing a lot more stretching.
Flexible already. Which side you facing?
Like I did it before you even.
I know it. You are loose.
Like I said, I'm trying to stretch it so I can do this for longer.
There you go. Lay back. You work at the bar at all anymore?
Say what?
You work at the bar at all anymore?
Nope.
Why? You said you're retired.
And, well, not so much retired, but